In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete payment methods from GoDaddy. If you want to remove a saved payment method from your GoDaddy account, the process is pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct GoDaddy account where the payment method is currently saved. That helps avoid making changes in the wrong account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're inside your GoDaddy account, look for your Profile section. This is usually where your personal account options and settings are grouped together. Go ahead and click on Profile to open that area. From there, choose Account Settings. This section is where GoDaddy keeps the main account management options, including billing-related details. If you don't immediately see what you need, just take a moment to scan the page carefully, because the layout can vary slightly depending on the version of the site you're using. Inside Account Settings, find and click on Payment Methods. This will open the list of payment methods that are currently saved to your account. Here you should be able to see the cards or other billing options connected to your profile. Now, look for the specific payment method that you want to delete. Make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. Next to that payment method, click the three dots. This usually opens a small menu with additional actions for that saved billing option. After clicking the three dots, select Delete. GoDaddy may ask you to confirm the action, so if a confirmation prompt appears, review it and continue with the deletion. This extra confirmation is there to help prevent accidental removal. Once that's done, the selected payment method should be removed from your account. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page and checking the payment methods list again. One important tip is to be careful if the payment method you're deleting is the one currently used for active products, renewals, or subscriptions. If needed, update your billing information first so your services continue without interruption. And that's all it takes to delete a payment method from GoDaddy. Just open your account, go to your profile, enter account settings, open payment methods, click the three dots beside the payment method you want to remove, and then click delete.